lunchtime, what we're doing is we're gonna do some like posh, fancy, open sandwiches. So to start off with, we've got a load of white sourdough, and I'm gonna cut it just so it fits in my toaster. I got homemade hummus, we got some tomatoes, we got some chicken. So we're just gonna, what did you call it? Chicken toast.
Chicken on bread.
Chicken on bread. It's Funky Thursdays, so we're drinking, but technically it's my birthday tomorrow, so I'm taking it off, which means today's my Friday. So I'm allowed a beer. Right, chicken breast. We're gonna fry this and make it all nice. Remember why we butterfly chicken?
Cooks it more evenly.
Yes. Well done.
I actually didn't know that until we got a talk.
These aren't actually too bad, but what we'll do is we'll give them a quick little flatten. That's perfect.
That is actually really good.
Yeah. Real easy chicken, just to make it taste good. Salt, pepper, garlic granules. This is a cheat code for just like real easy meats. Italian herbs. Chili flakes.
That's your like trio, isn't it?
It's honestly, anything can taste good with that. Do this side, same again. So whilst that's on, we've got shallots. A circle, you know? I'm so good at cooking chicken, honestly. Then we're gonna do tomato slices with a blunt knife. That's the prep done. That's literally it. Apart from hummus. This is my homemade hummus, but you could just use normal hummus if you're not fancy, but I made that a few days ago. Banky. Oh, kickflip. What's the rule?
Salty tomatoes.
Salty tomatoes. And then we've got coriander. God's herb. How are these looking? Perfectly cooked.
Have a look. Whoa. Oh.
Oh my God.
Jesus.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's this then, big dog? The toast is ready.
No, I love it. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. All right, start off with a hummus base. Spread your hummus evenly. Next, we're gonna go on with tomatoes. And then I'm gonna break up our shallots a bit, so like rings, and then just scatter them around. And then we're gonna do a sprinkling of coriander. Like that. I don't know what my wrist is doing. Now we're ready for the chicken. We're gonna do a squeeze of lime. Bit more salt. And then the final boss.
Finisher. Finish it.
Yes.
How do you say it?
Cholula.
Cholula. And then just a few little
Oh boy.
squeezes of that. Open chicken sandwiches.
They look unbelievable.
Fire.
Oh, they got some weight to them.
Yeah, it'll fall apart. You kind of need to like.
To be fair, he kept it all together.
What's that saying then?
Could be my favourite to date.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Could be. Really could be.
Favorite.
Oh. That's so good. Yeah, that goes crazy. Decent, I'm going again. Give me that Chilli, a little bit extra on that. Man, it's so good.
Unbelievable stuff.
That is unreal.
God damn. I reckon that's up there with my favourite.
That was lovely. That really was.
Food done.